Hi everyone, this is Peter here. Today I'm going to show you the Peak Design Field Patch version 2, which is a great compressible in-bag organizer, but I bought it specifically for a carry-all essentials type of sling bag just for everyday use. I've already reviewed a similar product, the Tech Patch version 2, so feel free to check that out if you're interested. Anyway, let's get into it. Let's start with the overall build quality. Peak Design is known for using high quality materials in the construction of their products, and this patch is no exception. The outer shell is made out of 400D double poly-coated canvas that is pretty durable, weatherproof and abrasion resistant. All fabrics are recycled and Bluesign approved, including the soft internal felt liner. Bluesign approved essentially means that the product has been manufactured to meet strict environmental and safety standards to maximize sustainability in the textile industry. The touch points are made out of high quality leather on the midnight and charcoal patches that has received gold rating by the Leather Working Group that assesses the environmental performance of leather manufacturers. The black patch uses Hypalon instead, which is a synthetic rubber that is highly resistant to UV light, extreme temperatures and chemicals. This is a great vegan option. The patch is also 100% carbon neutral and fair trade certified, which prioritizes worker well-being in a factory setting. Most of this information was also displayed on a couple of tags, and I really like the foldable simple manual that was tucked into the integrated belt loop, displaying some of the bag's features. The pouch has a roll top opening for easy access and uses strong Velcro. The capacity is 1.5 liters when it's compressed, but when it's fully expanded, its volume is doubled to 3 liters. This makes it quite versatile. You can easily compress it to eliminate unused space. Inside the pouch, you will find a zip pocket that is large enough to store important items such as travel documents, passport, and this is where I normally put my rather compact Ridge wallet as well. It's also made out of a stretchy, highly elastic fabric, so you can put a fair amount of stuff in there. Inside the zip pocket, there are also 5 small internal stretch pockets where you can store smaller items such as memory cards. In the central compartment, you will also find 3 additional stretch pockets that are considerably larger. Here I normally store an external SSD that is on the smaller size, my Reach key case, and also my wireless earbuds in their charging case, which fit absolutely perfectly. In the central pocket, which has soft internal felt liner to protect your contents from bumps and potential abrasion, is where I prefer to leave my phone, for example. The iPhone 14 fits perfectly along with my sunglasses, with plenty of room to spare even when the pouch is fully compressed. The pouch comes with an ultralight adjustable strap that can easily be attached via cord hooks to a couple of external loops. All you have to do is pull the hooks a little harder to ensure that they are safely secured. I like to use it as a sling bag. It just provides you with more stability and it's very comfortable that way, in my opinion, but you can also rest it on your shoulder if that is what you prefer. On the outside, you will also find dual attachment points for a capture clip if you wanted to carry a camera on the outside. It also features integrated belt loops for waist carry. These are compatible with both regular and special photography belts as well. I don't intend to use these much, but to have them as an option is definitely great. As I said at the start of the video, I'm only going to be using this pouch as an everyday carry-all essential solution, and so far I've been really happy with it. I really like its minimalistic construction, how functional the design is, and the fact that it's compressible. Hopefully the Velcro will last for many years as well without any issues, but I'm pretty confident that it will. Overall, I'm super happy with it and can highly recommend if you are looking for a basic organizing pouch that can also be used as a small sling bag. For more information, check the description box, and if you decide to purchase, please use my affiliate link, which is gonna help me run this channel via a small commission. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you enjoyed this video. You might also want to have a look at these next. Thanks again and catch you all very soon in the next one.